some stuff off Shein. I'm going to do a two-part series. So you know I have to divide the clothes as well. So I'm gonna just go straight into it. If you're interested in seeing what I got and how they fit on me, because roll intro. Hey guys, so this bikini is quite small. This is a medium and it fits like this on me. The triangle covers a lot, so you don't have to worry about, getting ready for that bikini hot girl summer look. Lord have mercy. Going around to the back, yeah, this is not it. This is really not it because look how small the triangle is at the back. It's like them put less material around the back, and I believe that my bottom is not that big. Alright, so there's that. But I wished the triangles to be bigger to cover. I mean, I loved the color, that's why I got it. This is a medium, so yeah, if you have side boob and bottom boob and all sorts of boobs showing, this is not for you. If you're gonna get this swimsuit, guys, please, hint hint, not it. Don't do this little bow tie something because it will leave you on the roadside. But overall, I like the fit. I will give it a 7 out of 10 because of these areas. Now, on to the next one. Okay, this is a second swimsuit. The whole heap of strap something is not working well with me. I loved it when I watched it for a while and then I finally bought it, but when I tried it on, I don't know what is happening with this thing. Alright, so to start, a big turn off is that there is, I don't know what this is and why now my boob is just out, and the cup is not true to size. One size does not fit all. I don't know where I'm going with that, but it is a huge thing for me because my boobs do not fill out this cup. This is supposed to be a small, and it is just not working out for me. Bottom does cover a lot. You could see where I pulled up the bikini top quite a bit to try to just cover my boobs properly, but it was still not working because there's quite a bit of space still in this cup. I would have preferred them to not make a cup, bra cup out of this, but just use the cloth so that people can, fit their boob inside the thing comfortably. And these straps do not feel like they're supportive. This does not feel like it's supportive. I feel like if water moves the thing, it's going to literally show everybody my goodies. This kind of support, I do not feel like if I swim too tough or run like Baywatch, I would feel any way in terms of coverage or anything happening to my under goodies, right? So I will give this a 6 because just this is not working out. Like I have under boob, side boob, and every kind of boob again showing. It does not fit every small in the world. So it's a no for me with this. But I like the color, I like the style, and yeah. But it's still a overall no, no, just no. So guys, this is the third swimsuit. I'm not sure how to put it on, but yeah. I don't even know where the back is from the front, but yeah. This is a medium. So let's how to put it on because this look like some aerobics gymnast thing, and yeah, yeah, yeah. First of all, I don't know is who and you going to the beach to get strangled, but it is not it. This is not comfortable. This is not comfortable. This is just not comfortable. Alright, I'm not even going to lie. I'm just really like I feel like the breeze gonna blow and just whoosh. I'm not about that life. But um yeah, I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. I feel like this is constricting my whole life, and I don't want that for me because, yeah, it's not it. It's not it. Everything else feels just so loose, and up here is just, yeah, up here is tight, right? And then, not to mention the back. The back looks like I'm a 60-year-old going to the beach. No. I mean, coverage is way up, literally way up. But in terms of feeling sexy, this swimsuit is not it. And I am so upset with this purchase because I want it to look, yeah. The front looks great and all, right? The front can go on, can okay and do the thing. But the back and the side, nah. In terms of support, I don't feel supported here. There, there is some padding in the top part of the swimsuit, but yeah, don't feel supported. This is not for swimming. This is for breakfast party with a nice short. Well, you're not going to work out with the back, but this is a nice on the beach and you pose and you just pose and you just pose. This is not a, oh, I'm going to go and dive in to save somebody. This is a fail. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. And you see me keep on doing this with my I need to, guys, I'm going to take this off because I'm not feeling this swimsuit at all. Alright, so yeah. Okay, so first and foremost, this did not look the way it was on the site. Yeah, but it comes with a thing. So I thought this was cute. So I was like, okay, it's a three-piece swimsuit. Let's get it and see what happens. It's high waist and everything. I like the high waist. This does not feel supportive at all because there is this thingy. It's not a, hold on. It's not a thing where you tie. It is a, let me see if I can do it and show you guys. It is this. It's literally a tube top with padding in the boob area, and then this is a fraud. Okay, this is a full-on fraud. But yeah, it's supposed to be looking like snake skin, but really not. um from afar it does still look like, you know, the pattern can work. I like the support. It's not cutting off my blood circulation, but I like the support. And the back, as you can see, very covered. Love it. Love the high waist. Would like it to be a bit more like that, but I mean, we can work with it. It tucks in your tummy, so if you want to eat food, you don't have to worry about that after food belly. And whoa, this thing has got you in terms of like your eating pants, right? So you can just get this and tie it tight to the side. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, it can go on, right? Yeah. Uh, it might get a bit hot, so hopefully the breeze will be blowing so you don't have to worry about hotness. But you can put it to the front too. I don't know if you want to wear it like that, but yeah, it can be worn like that. Or to the other side. There's so many ways to wear this. But yeah, and you can use it as a little beach thing to sit down on the sand. So yeah, that's it for that. I would give this a give it an 8 for usability. I didn't have to do no gymnastics to get in there. I didn't have to stress out myself with the tying and tying and tying and tying. Yeah, it was just plain simple, slip on, and go. So I was pretty happy for that. That's why I got an 8. But it didn't get the full marks because of the not the color, but the print. I thought it was like the nice snake skin thing going on. Not real snake skin, but for the price, what can you expect? This is a small, by the way, guys. So if you want to venture into getting a medium, you can. I'm sure there will still be support because I feel very, very supported by this for what it's worth. But yeah, and I got two glasses and a hat, so I'm gonna show you guys that now. So guys, it's not oh my god, this is amazing glasses or hats because like I didn't know the hat was gonna come out like this, but what can I say? I really can't even say anything. I feel like I need to iron it because yeah. Who gonna wear this on them head? Who gonna wear it on them head like this? Like it look like a hot mess. Let me try on the glasses first, y'all. I mean, I can't see it, but let me come up. Hopefully it look okay. Yeah, yeah. It's plain duh. It's just plain. But it keeps your eyes not burnt by the sun. Jokes. But you know what a sunglasses does? Does a job. It's not no big extravagant. Yes, I'm gonna stunt on somebody now, but it does the job like I said. And this one, I like this one more. I don't know why. It looks smaller than the other one, but yeah. Ugh. Okay. There's nothing much to these glasses really. I mean, would it bring off a look? Yes, no, maybe so. And then the hat. I'd go nowhere dude with this hat. Like seriously, for heaven's sakes, man. She must, she must do better than this. I mean, like I don't even want to put it on my head. What is this? What is this contraption? This is a definite no from me because yeah. Look at how ridiculous this hat looks. Like please take it off my head right now because I'm just upset. But yeah guys, I have two bonus tops that I got just because I wasn't expecting much from the swimsuits, but yeah, I'll show you the tops now. Do, 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 do. So in the name of Shein, I actually got no words for this. I can't even turn to the side because it's just going to look like a hot mess. This is a disaster. Not only was the fabric not what I expected because on the site it looks kind of satin, so I was like, yeah man, can get it. This fabric feels like I am wearing a dining tablecloth on my body. It is very thin and very creepy. There is no support, mind you. Yeah, there's just so much space in this. Like I feel like I need to get it tailored because all the tie and all the crimpla, pull down, it still looks like a hot mess. So I would not recommend this unless you have boobs going to Timbuktu and can fill out right here. But right here feels like a hot mess. A hot mess. I am not wasting my money, right? In the name of all that is good, let's try the next one. So I don't know what is up with the string. Like, for God's sakes, I don't even know how this going to work out, but let's see. Okay, which is so weird because like some mediums are just smalls and some smalls are mediums and you just don't know what you're going to get. It's like a Russian roulette kind of trial and error. Does it work? Does it not? But I'm just like, for heaven's sakes, this is a medium and it fits quite. It's stretchy. It's comfortable. I feel like I'm wearing nothing on because it's thin. I mean, it's not as thin that it's see through, but it is still thin. I do still feel supported, but yeah, nothing whoa about this top. It's a nice top. I'll give it a 8 or 9 if I feel like it. But yeah, I'm gonna have to find a bra that works with this because I just feel like I need a bra. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Let's go back to the host. But it's hard. So, guys, thank you for staying with me until the end. You remember I said in the beginning there's a part two, so stay tuned for that where I will have one of my really, really, really good friends rate it. It's not just me again, so we will have company the next time I post another Shein haul. Shein is a very affordable brand, but for heaven's sakes, one size does not fit all. Tell me in the comments what you thought. If you are new here, thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe. And for my OG fam, thank you for coming back for another video. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.